Children, this is exercise of page number 56. The related chapter is salted crabs. So in last page I have told that how to use a or an before a noun. Okay, in last page I have told you the use of articles a or an. So whenever we see a noun starting with consonant sound, we use a. Before that noun we use a. जब कोई नाउन नेम जो है वो शुरू होता है कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से, तो हम उसके पहले ए यूज करते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी सी अ नाउन, अ नेम इज स्टार्टिंग विथ vowel sound. What, how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So whenever we see the noun is starting with vowel sound, we use an. Before that we use an. Okay, so a and an are the definite articles. So what is the third article there? Third article is the. And what is the use of the? The का हम कहाँ use करते हैं? When we talk about specific noun. जब हम पर्टिकुलर किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, like here it is written specific noun. Okay, when we point out for the special thing, special nouns, we use the. Johann sailed the boat and on the river. Here we are talking about especially about the boat. कौन सी बोट? जो बोट जोहान ने सेल की थी, तैराई थी. सो वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द. Okay, river is especially the river where the Johann sailed his boat, so we will use the. In ordinal numbers, okay, जब हम कहीं पर कोई ordinal number noun देखते हैं, like the first crab, मतलब what is ordinal number? In your grammar book I have already taught this chapter, ordinal and cardinal adjective. So whenever we see the ordinal number we use the. Before that ordinal number noun we use the. The last house. Okay, superlative degree. Okay, in comparison chapter I have told the superlative degree. Okay, जब हम किसी चीज़ की सबसे फास्ट सबसे थर्ड डिग्री देखते हैं उसकी, द फनीएस्ट स्टोरी. ओके, फनीएस्ट, फनी, फनियर, फनीएस्ट. तो जहाँ पर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होती है, बिफोर दैट वी यूज आर्टिकल द. नेम्स ऑफ यूनिक थिंग्स. जहाँ पर यूनिक, व्हाट आर द यूनिक थिंग्स? दोज थिंग्स विच डज नॉट हैव द सेम थिंग अनदर. जिसके पास दूसरी वैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है, जो उसके जैसी कोई दूसरी चीज़ नहीं होती. लाइक स्काई, स्काई इज ओनली वन, sun is only one. Okay, so whenever we see the unique things we use the. Before that we use article the. So basically there are three articles, a and the. So today we'll do the exercise related with the article use of the. Here in these statements articles are written incorrectly. गलत articles लिखे हुए हैं, so we have to find out the incorrect article and then we'll have to replace with the correct article. Like I know a man is standing there. मैं एक आदमी को जानता हूँ, वहाँ खड़ा है. Here we are talking about particular a person who is standing there, जो वहाँ पर खड़ा है. So here as I taught specific noun. So here the man is specific noun. So a is written incorrectly. यहाँ पर a गलत लिखा हुआ है. Correct article will be the. I know the man is standing there. मैं उस आदमी को जानता हूँ जो वहाँ खड़ा हुआ है. Vidya planted a vegetables today. So simply there is another rule. If we see S, so it is in a plural number. The word vegetables in a plural number. So we won't write a here. So again a is incorrect and we will write here the. Why? Because विद्या प्लांटेड द वेजिटेबल्स, क्योंकि उसने स्पेशली किसके पेड़ लगाए हैं? वेजिटेबल्स के. ही विल अपीयर फॉर अ सेकेंड एग्जाम टुमारो. अगेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेशली सेकेंड एग्जाम. सो ए इज इनकरेक्ट. वी विल राइट हियर द. ओके, ही विल अपीयर फॉर द सेकेंड एग्जाम टुमारो. देन दिस इज अ टॉलेस्ट कोकोनट ट्री आई हैव एवर सीन. सबसे बड़ा एक नारियल का पेड़ है जो मैंने आज तक देखा है. नो, अगेन ए इज रॉन्ग हियर. वाई? बिकॉज हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टॉलेस्ट. एंड व्हाट इज टॉलेस्ट? टॉलेस्ट इज अ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. टॉल, टॉलर, टॉलेस्ट. थोड़ा बड़ा, फिर सबसे बड़ा, फिर सॉरी थोड़ा बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर सबसे बड़ा. So here as it is written here already, if we see the superlative degree, we will use the article the here. Okay. In your last sentence, I forgot to tell you, he will appear for a second. Again, as I told you here, second is the ordinal number. Order दिखा रहा है एग्जाम का, so we will use here the. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on a moon. Okay, again here we are talking about a specific noun, Neil Armstrong. We are especially talking about Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the. This one is correct here because we are talking about unique thing. Okay, so here A will be wrong and the here we will write the moon. An Indian Prime Minister will address a country today. Again, what is wrong here? An, because here we are talking about a specific noun. So we will write here the Indian Prime Minister will address a country today. What is the next exercise? Rewrite these sentences by filling in the missing articles where needed. Look at the example. See, articles are missing in these statements. We have to recorrect the sentence by writing the correct articles. What brilliant idea it was. क्या आइडिया था? नो, व्हाट अ ब्रिलियंट आइडिया. वी विल राइट हियर व्हाट अ brilliant idea it was. Then moon and stars, as I already told, whenever we see the unique things we use the before that noun. So we will write here the moon and stars. आगे you have to copy the same sentence. Okay. Island is surrounded by water on all sides. So I is a vowel. So we will write here an island. Okay, followed by the same sentence. Please board train, for it is time to leave. Here I am talking about particular for a train. So we will write here please board the train. The train. Okay. Who was 8th president of India? As we already studied that, if we see the ordinal number, we will write the. Then who was the 8th same sentence. Okay. We went to see cave paintings on Bhimbetka. So here these paintings are especially drawn in Bhimbetka. So here we will write the. We went to see the cave painting. Okay, clear? Now come to the next exercise. Listen to a poem about different creatures. Match the action to creatures. Okay, so you must have been given a CD with these books. So this exercise is based on the listening activity, so which is not possible. Okay, so when you listen that CD, then only you will be able to do this exercise. Now let's see the next exercise. Okay, what is the next exercise? Complete the story. Okay, so I will send the picture of this story after writing. Then now in next video we will read the 6th lesson, Seher, goes star gazing. Okay, thank you.